Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can earn up to $45 per hour with one of the best work from home online job in 2020. All you need to have is a stable internet connection and this. And all you have to do is to go on to www.work. Hey guys, before I go on and reveal one of the best ways to earn money from the comfort of your own home in 2020 with no experience, I would like to introduce myself. I am Joyce Meettoo and I do videos that help people on how to earn money by describing the process and doing reviews, as well as talk about network marketing and affiliate marketing. So if you like such videos, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so I can personally send a notification whenever I upload a new video. This will help you get an advantage and make money faster than others. Stay with me on this one because, as a disclaimer, not all the people watching are going to make money because they will not go through the whole video. And not everyone watching will actually take action. So what I'm going to show you next is one of the paying jobs that you can leverage to get yourself paid online, and how you can harvest one of those required skills to guarantee yourself to make money by showing you 2 websites and 3 websites ranking from the least paying one to the highest paying one where you can earn money. And lastly, as a bonus website, for those who are going to watch this video till the end, I will give you a bonus website that will help you enormously. So let's get started. If you want to work online at your own comfort and really want to earn money, one of the best jobs you can do is a typist freelancer. On this particular website known as ZipRecruiter, it shows how much a particular online typist can earn. And if we go ahead and look at the average yearly salary of an online typist, it is $46,235 per year. This shows that an online typist is basically making $3,852 per month, or you could say $128 per day. And if you're working for only 3 hours per day, you are making an average of $47 per hour. But if you think that you are not good at typing, stay with me, because I will now show you 2 websites where you can type faster and leverage this skill to make more money. The first thing to do is to go on a website called typing.com. This is not the website that is going to actually pay you, but will help you type faster. When you come over here, all you need to do is to go through below, and you will find typing test. So you click on typing test, and guys, this typing test will allow you to increase your typing speed and help you type faster, and this will help you in making more money. The second good website that has a typing test similar is livechat.com. So livechat.com, guys, again, when you scroll down, you will see the typing test option, or you can search it on Google, typing test live chat, and you can actually use this to test your speed on typing. So as you can see here, guys, there is a timer, and as I'll begin, I will know how good I am in typing. So this can actually help me, or help you see if you're making mistakes or typing easily. And it is blocked. So okay, I did a mistake over there and I lost time trying to correct it, and here you go. So okay, okay, I did a mistake. mistake again. I was thinking I was pretty fast, but okay, the timer is about to get finished. Okay. Oh. And the result is, since you type like a pro, you've got a deal, we've got a deal for you, and blah 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 blah. So you can go on and do a typing test, and this can really improve your typing speed, and you can check it out. Now let's jump to the real deal, the first website ranking on number 3 that will pay you to type words, and the first website is rev.com, a freelancing website that pays you to work from your own comfort at home and be a transcriptionist or captioner freelancer. Now, advantage of being a freelancer is that you can schedule your own time and that you want to do the work, and in a sense you are free and flexible. In this website, guys, you can apply to be a transcriptionist, and if you listen, what it does is you listen to the audio and type what is being said, or be a captioner, that is, you watch a particular video, or where the person in front is saying something and you're just typing subtitles, right? And this is how much they pay. They pay $1 per minute, or you can get paid $3 to $7 per minute if you know about foreign languages and get paid like this. And if you scroll down, you can see the details of this website. The next website that I'm going to talk about is actually pays better than this one, and it is Online Writing Jobs. You can have a look of how it works, but we will go directly into the frequently asked questions, because whenever someone has any questions, the questions are directly answered over there. But I already checked it out for you guys, and it pays around $15 per project to $50 per project. If we go down here, how much does it pay us? Here it is. And you have rules to follow inside to complete the project. So the faster you type, the more you will be making. The last and best website that I'm going to show you is one of the best one that pays the highest. So keep watching till the end, because since you've already watched this far, I told you I will give you a bonus, but keep watching. The last video is called Writer's Success, and you access it from writerssuccess.com, and this is one of the most highest paying site for a particular typist. However, it is only available in a few countries, and it is actually doesn't cost. It is free to apply, so as it says here, and it is available to some countries such as United States, UK, Australia, Canada, Ireland, or New Zealand. But it's a pity actually it does not apply to any countries. But if you're from those countries, let me know in the comment below, and if you're from other countries, do tell me in the comment below what country you are in. I would like to know that, and make more videos for you so that you can access from your country. The best thing now is to look how much they are actually paying, and if you look down there, it says that they pay around 3 cents to $2 per word. Now, if you are able to type an article that is over 1,000 words, and if you are paid 3 cents, you will get $30, and if you are paid $2 per word, in this matter, you will be paid $2,000. So this is the advantage actually of being an online freelancer. However, these websites that I just showed you are those for an online job. You are actually trading your time to work, and yes, you are getting paid for it. Now, I'm not saying it's not good, but ask yourself if the time spent was okay to work for others, or would it have been better if you would have been working for your own growth or yourself? If you truly believe that your growth is more important, so as promised, I have a bonus for you. I can still remember the days I was busting my off as a mechanical engineer in the sun and working on dusty sites, getting myself dirty with dust, grease, and at the end of the day being so tired I didn't even have the time to exercise. I was at the point in my life where I was always asking myself if life was going to be this way till the end or when I'll grow old. There was always a voice inside of me telling me I was meant to do great things. I was meant not to slave myself away for someone else's dreams, but to achieve what I should be doing on my own, as my own determinant. Yes, only I had the power to determine what I should do and what I can do. After working for days, months with a meager payment, I left my job and started my online journey. But when starting, it was not easy, as everyone said it was. I lost money, I lost peace of mind, trying to figure out what this whole online thing was. And I was like you, looking for online easy money and trying to do online jobs. But then one day, I came across a video which showed me that I could have my own online business. For trying to find out so many things about online business, I understood and knew that having an online business was not a walk in the park. I knew I needed the patience and the time, and the best part was they held me by the hand and taught me from the very basics to the complex stuff I didn't understand. And long story short, I am now enjoying my life of freedom and making YouTube videos for you guys. I am able to enjoy my free time with my family, and now I'm on the path of getting myself settled. Being depressed about how the future should be was all in the past. I can take better care of myself and live the life as it should be. If you believe you are okay living as it is, then I wish you all the best and wish great things for you to happen in life. However, if you really want to have a life of freedom and to be among those few who take their destinies in their own hands, then click on my #1 recommendation below. I will welcome you and give you access to those people who taught me from A to Z on online marketing and helped me create my own online biz. So I'll end my video for now, guys, and if you found value in this video, do smash the thumbs up button, do subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want more videos on how to make money online. And if you're serious again, do check out my #1 recommendation below. It was great doing this video for you guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye, take care.